How to delete your Weverse account. So all you have to do is log in into your Weverse application and tap on your profile icon, which is at the very bottom next to the notification icon. Tap in there. Now go to the gear icon and tap there and scroll to the very end. Right below logout you will find leave service, so tap in there. Now you'll be redirected to a next page. Now scroll down and on the connected apps and services you will find delete option, so we will tap there. And after you read all of this information in the dialog box at the bottom, you will type delete account from Weverse. And press on delete account from Weverse and press on delete again for confirmation. Now you can see it shows that your Weverse has been disconnected. Now tap to home. Now again scroll down, and as you can see you will be able to find delete Weverse account option, so we will tap in there. So again you will read through all of these terms, and at the very bottom you will type the same thing. I have speeded this for you, and click on delete for confirmation. Now you can see your account has been successfully deleted, and just like that, in easy steps you will be able to achieve it. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of this video.